Cash App itself doesn't have a built-in catalog of games that pay you real money, so the practical option is using legitimate game apps that support Cash App withdrawals or transfers where available. By the end, you'll know which 5 cash game apps are worth checking, what each one actually offers, and why no minimum can mean something different from one app to another. Number 5 is Solitaire Cash. It's a real money solitaire app from Papaya, gaming with free play options and cash tournaments. The app uses skill-based competitions, so winnings depend on your performance rather than simply playing for a guaranteed reward. Number 4 is Solitaire Smash. It offers solitaire tournaments, multiplayer competitions and cash prizes. The app also supports PayPal and Apple Pay for deposits, while withdrawal methods and availability can depend on your location and account. Number 3 is Solitaire Cube. This app focuses on head-to-head solitaire competitions. Players can receive the same deck in competitive matches, which gives both players the same basic puzzle, instead of completely different cards. That matters because your result depends heavily on how efficiently you play, rather than simply getting an easier hand. Number 2 is Bingo Cash. Like the solitaire apps, it uses skill-based cash competitions rather than promising guaranteed payments for simply opening the app. You can play free games to understand the format before entering cash tournaments where they're available. Number 1 is Solitaire Clash. It's one of the established names in real money mobile gaming and focuses on competitive solitaire matches with cash prizes. Now, here's the part that matters if your goal is specifically Cash App money. Don't assume that an app saying real cash automatically means it can send money directly to your Cash App balance. Payment methods vary by app, country, device, and account. Some apps use PayPal or other supported payment services instead. Also, no minimum needs to be checked carefully. A game can let you start playing without a deposit while still having a minimum withdrawal amount. Those are 2 completely different things. So the ranking is Solitaire Clash first, Bingo Cash second, Solitaire Cube third, Solitaire Smash fourth, and Solitaire Cash fifth. Your next step is to install the free version of the app you're considering, open its withdrawal section, and verify the available payment method and minimum withdrawal before depositing any money. And remember, these are competitive games, not guaranteed income apps. Never deposit more than you're comfortable losing. If you want more rankings of legitimate cash game apps, like the video and subscribe.